Infinity Processing System. Yes, the Infinity Processing System. And why I joined the Legacy Builder program. Must see. Folks, I'm PaulyB right outside the Big Apple, New York City. And it is absolutely a beautiful July 27th day. And if I can tell you one thing, folks, it is this. Once I got my mindset right, I joined the Legacy Builder program because I thank God for Infinity Processing System, and you who are watching this video may have remembered me from the Infinity Processing System, and I thank God for it, because if it wasn't for that platform, who Michele, Oneil, and the rest of us were on, it would have never manifested. But folks, I was with IPS, and I was doing okay. But once I saw those who left IPS and went over to Michele Oneil's platform, it's never been the same. My whole life has changed, and I'm telling you this honestly. And I just don't want to leave any of you behind who want to come over with us. Because I thought about it. I wouldn't want anyone to take members of my program over to another program. But folks, I'm crushing it. And we are having some of our members making up to $80K, $100,000 per month. Now that's something that you just can't hold in. I feel like the weeping prophet Jeremiah when he said, it was like fire shot up in my bones. And folks, this much is true. If there is any of you looking to come into the Legacy Builder program and how I manifested my dream with PaulyB's Inner Circle, and yes, folks, what I did was this. When I was with IPS, and I saw all those, even my sponsor, big shout out to James Farmer, when I saw him and others making 10K their first month, 20, 30, 40K, in 6 months making up to 200,000, folks, I had to join. But I sat back and I envisioned myself what it would be like, what it would feel like. And the emotions rose up into my imagination, God's wonderful, awesome gift to man. And before I knew it, I was doing what the rest of them were doing. But here is the most beautiful thing I want to share with you folks. Inside the Legacy Builder program, Michele Oneil has Laura St. John, who is one of the greatest manifestation coaches in the world. Even Google used Laura St. John to come in and boost Google's mindset. And she is highly recommended all across the world. Corporations are paying her tens of thousands of dollars. And now Michele Oneil has her helping us manifest our dreams, building generational wealth for our families. Folks, what's better than that? So I came back to tell you, if there's any of you who are interested in joining the Legacy Builder program, my phone number is 862-658-2086. Again, that number is 862-658-2086. A regular guy, 63 years old, an average guy here in New Jersey, with very little tech skills. I can barely do this video, as you can see. But folks, if I can do it, so can you. And I would love to show you what is going on up close in the digital growth community, which I believe is the backbone community to the Legacy Builder program with Michele Oneil. And folks, this is the Wins tab inside the school platform. And it's 24/7 around the clock. Oh, and by the way, when I joined 3 months ago, it was about 6,000 members. Now, 31,947 members. If this program isn't hotter than hot, people are joining by the hundreds of thousands. Digital products, folks, has never been so crazy on fire than right now, July 27th, 2024. So let's go back to the Wins tab and let's see real live in action around the world 24/7. Lacey has her first sale. Rosemary says, huge win for me. There's Wyndham, 6,700 for July so far. Her goal is 10K. I've already made 6,700 of the 10K goal, folks. She's over in South Africa. So here's Lisa Bell, the power of this community. And she is right. There's a vibrational energy, folks, in this community that is contagious. Woo! Joy says $900 ding. Folks, it just goes on and on. And there's 6,039 views on my post. Folks, what we do here is we share and celebrate each other's wins. And here's Tony Hobbs. 2,400 this week, 4,600 for the month, and a new car. Boy, I give you, Tony, a big shout out. Keep up the good work, brother. Folks, if I can tell you one thing, it's this. Sit back after you watch this video and imagine what it would be like, what it would feel like to come into this program today and join PaulyB's Inner Circle and have a real, genuine sponsor, mindset manifestation coach that can call me anytime, but just don't call after 10 p.m. My wife is getting on me, but she's happy with the money. So, folks, I am crushing it, building a wonderful team. Big shout out to all my team members, and I want you to join the Legacy Builder program. Again, my phone number is 862-658-2086. Please do like, subscribe, leave any comments. I answer all comments. And for more info, go to barlettamarketing.com. In the description, barlettamarketing.com. Thank you once again for your time. Make it a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.